Alright, here we go. Is this working? Hold on. I want this to stay up. That. I'm gonna drop my finger on that. Like that. That's a bit better. There we go. That's better. Okay, so we'll put some music in, and we're gonna just essentially do what we usually do. I mean, I got work in I gotta head to work in like 40 minutes, 50 minutes. So I'm gonna have to be relatively quick on this, but again, it shouldn't be too difficult. We're gonna do on a £1,000,000 account now, so we're gonna do million, and then we're gonna do the exact same thing that we trade GBP against dollar, right? And then we're gonna go simply do like this. Actually, no, this is just year, isn't it? I don't want to do 2023. I want to do 2020 two, and then let's do June the 8th till here, and then let's do that. Awesome. Okay, so now we can play, and yeah, we're gonna get into it. So I'm just gonna have music obviously in the background and stuff while I do my analysis. I have it on one AirPod. How about that? Might be better because I don't want to do it in both because I won't be able to hear myself speak. Uh, yeah, let's do that. Okay, cool. Let's switch your phone off. Okay. So 1 hour. I'm gonna head to it. See what we've got. So we're gonna mark out our time frame, which one is gonna be our first time to trade, which is gonna be over here, 7 a.m. We're gonna go over to the 4 hour. We're gonna go to this, and we're gonna play. Right. Okay, so on this 4 hour, what do we have? Or even let's go on the week first. Let's see what we want. MB, and then this was the push in 2016, and then we had this push in 2020, right? And then price essentially just capitulated straight down to here. Now we're probably in a good buy. Well, matter of fact, I'll probably still be looking for sales, honestly. But I'd say more bullish up into here at least, because there's absolutely nothing on a week. But again, on the daily, we might have something to look for. Again, we have this, but we did break it, but it doesn't mean this can't just be an overall redistribution, because it can be. But yeah, I think it makes sense to go up to there, especially off of these deeper zones that cause this huge rally up here. Sure, we didn't break it, but it makes more sense. So overall bullish, yes. Overall targeting these highs, yes. Let's go into 1 hour, see what we got. Alright. Is this marked at 7? Yeah, it is. So on the 1 hour, we basically have, looks like consolidation, to be honest, inside of this entire range. Like, we got a few absorptions, but nothing really. So the overall, we want to see what we're trying to target, right? Did we get a breakdown here? Technically, yes. And then did we get a breakdown here? Technically, yes. Can we come down and test this portion? Yes. Where is it actually lying though? Has there been any mitigation? I mean, that's on the actual MB, no. On this, again, no, because we really broke here and we got nothing come back down. So I think it makes more sense to come down, honestly. Zero mitigation here until this point, and then we wick straight up. And now it looks like a potential reaccumulation, but again, I wouldn't even call this a reaccumulation because there's this is just bearish, and then we got bearish, and then potentially more bearish, and you know, bearish, which we tapped into here, but we could definitely come up into this higher zone. But again, it all depends on the way we want to look at things, because we could generally just be taking these lows right now. But again, our session hasn't even started yet, so we don't need to worry. We can start playing price action, see what we want, or what's going to occur. But now we're in a potential sell zone. Will it work? No. Absorption, so it might. Okay, now we're getting a push down, which could just be a push into this demand or even this deeper demand, right? Now we're coming deeper. What would we say, buys or sells at this point? I mean, as we rally higher, I'd probably say buys, honestly. Probably say buys. Okay, bang, it comes out and we were wrong, which is fine, doesn't mean shit. And now we're in this zone again. Can we be looking for buys from here? Technically yes. Technically yeah. I'd want to be probably looking for a deeper zone though, if we can find it. So here we go. So in fact, again, we could generally look for some sells. But from whereabouts? Like it could be here or something. But okay, we'll play the 5 minutes, see what we get. Push down, down, and 7 AM. Okay. It'll probably come higher. Awesome. So our first break higher, but again we are bearish, so we're still looking for sells. I think this is still going to be a target to go higher. But we are in this, so it makes more sense to come down. If we get a repush. If we get some liquidity creation, if not, nah, it's going to probably just come and take the lows then. I want to try and position myself in a sell, if I can get it. Alright, brilliant. If we break these lows here, there we go, we're going to take a sell. Quite confident in this. It's beautiful. Let's have a look. Yeah, we'll take. We'll take. See, I'm trying to understand my system a little bit better. I don't know if I want to take 50% off at liquidity points. Like, basically, it was supposed to be here, but it pushed straight through. So, do I take 50% off now, or do I take 25? That's what I'm trying to think. I think I want to secure more money. That's it. It just doesn't mean that I can make as much to run. But again, our overall zone is going to be here, right? That's where we're marked, right? Yeah. So again, we let it do its thing. Stop loss has to be moved to break even, by the way. So, but yeah, nothing too bad. And then we should just capitulate, possibly. I mean, at this point, I'd probably take more off. I'd probably take another. In fact, let me look on the 5 minutes, see what we got. I would probably want to move my stop loss here, if anything, and then see what happens. But yeah, I'd have my stop loss there at least, and then bang, full TP. So we just hit a 1-7 on that first. Is that 1-7? It says 11, but it was actually 7. Because obviously partials and shit. Can we continue today? Yes, we can. If we go to 1 hour, see what we got. Again, some buys from here potentially. Which might just get absolutely fucked. Honestly, we might just be taking these now. We might be ready for that. No mitigation up here though. We might absorb this zone and come deeper though. That's what I'm thinking. So, let's have a look. See how it plays. Get a nice push higher, cool. Nothing to take. We're actually going to mark out the 9 AM. Just so we know when we've done. Like that. We're probably going to come back down anyways. Either retest and break another I want to see this get broken and then look for some potential buys after that. If that makes sense. Otherwise, yeah, I ain't doing shit. So there we go, we've got 2 MBs. We've got this MB1 here. From here to here. And then we got from here to here. Makes sense? So now we've got the actual shift. Or to push the price actually higher. We didn't have much to begin with. Now we can kind of look at deeper zones now. We can look for either here or here. But this one got mitigated. This one I think got tapped. So I'll be looking for this one. Okay. And it comes straight up. Awesome. Now we could get a potential recoup, but there's nothing to take. Remember. Again, it looks more like just it looks shit, and we're done for the session. All right, so I'm gonna push this one over to. Oh shit. We're gonna push it over to. I own you, I got the moves like Jagger. I got the moves like Jagger. I got the moves like Jagger. Alright, so we got a nice reaction off of this. Beautiful. But we're still bearish. Now, the mitigation's up here. I mean, we've got this fractalized MB here. We've got higher up. Because we're actually bullish, ain't we? Looking to target this, right? Yeah. I mean, we wanted to come down to here, but we don't have to. That's the thing. If structure's being delivered like this, then sure, we're still bullish. Like, I don't give a fuck what you say. Rally higher, awesome. We're gonna wake up in the morning, and then obviously when our next session starts, we can start to see what we can do, right? Right here, we've essentially created. So this was 3. So we created this structure here, which in my opinion is just more fake structure. So we're actually gonna break this easily. But why can we actually take buys from? Well, there was this zone, right? And then on the 30-minute, we have this zone here, okay? And this untapped wick, which again, this could just all act as absorption, and this could just be a 2.0 right here, depending on the way it wants to react. Like that, something like that. I don't fucking know. This will make a good one. So get this shit off. Be looking for buys from this zone highlight here. Honestly, makes sense. So we're looking for a 5-minute push at least. We'll be on the 5-minute weigh-in. There we go, beautiful. And now we can go on a 1 minute and we can start to see what we can get. We can get this MB push here, which is the exact same zone anyways. So yeah, we're gonna go and we're gonna see if price returns. Again, we're in this wick, which could actually act as a 2.0. If we start to break higher, we break lower. Okay, cool, that's fine because we're still looking for buys. And yeah, we'll take this buy. I'm happy with that. We've had the retest as well on this, and we could be looking to take it basically to this high at least, if not higher. And yeah, so we're gonna place order, market. We could just get traded straight out. I'm gonna partial. If we get it, we can break it. Come on, there we go. We're gonna partial here. Take 50% off, and then move to break even. Like this, and then we'll let it do this thing. So it could come and stop us out. I don't really give a fuck, honestly. There we go. And then yeah, we could be looking for buys within here. Now this could act as a redis, just by the way price actually looks. So we could be looking for this deep zone again, or the liquidation, right? We could be looking to take this out, but I'd actually want to be looking for buys from here, instead of thingy. So it just, yeah, it looks more like a reaccumulation. So now I'd be looking for buys, see what we can get. Like right here, it's very nice. I'd look to put my wick right there and then take this, right? And then we take that -1, and then yeah, we start to break down lower, unfortunately. So we were wrong about that, but that doesn't mean shit. And then yeah, what we're gonna do, probably come down lower. I mean, I don't know if it actually wants to completely liquidate it or something else. So I'd probably leave this, if anything. I mean, what do we have on a 4-hour? Yeah, there's this one here, or there's this deep one. So it probably makes more sense to sell, right? I don't know, actually, I don't know. What's the 1 day saying? 1 day's bearish. Yeah, I think it makes more sense, honestly. I think it makes more sense to come down. So if we can see some pushes down, like we've got this MB here, which we refined to here, on the 5-minute, and then we've got push. So yeah, if anything, I'm going to highlight this as my buy, or my sell zone. So I'm going to wait, see if price comes here, if it does or doesn't. That will all depend on if I want to take sales or not, right? Pretty simple. And yeah, we don't get anything, so we're done for the day. But I reckon it's probably going to come up there. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. On the 15 minutes, see what we get. Push down, push down, push down, push down. Okay, so we don't actually tap that one, unfortunately. And then we start to push up lower now, which we were actually expecting to go lower from there, and then bang. So we were, after we took that one loss, yeah, we were like, you know what, we're actually going to come down, and our bias was actually right, so that's good. It's good to have the right bias, let's just say that. Because obviously, if you don't, what the fuck you doing? But yeah, it's what it is. We only took a -1, so it's not that deep. Okay, now we're looking for some buys, but we might want to be looking for some deeper mitigations. But yeah, I'd probably say here. If anything, yeah. But of course, there could be some absorption. Of course. And what's this? Yeah, so that's our next trading session all the way down here. Alright, fuck it, let's have a look, see what happens. Okay, glad to know. Okay, interesting. Okay. We're coming very deep into this now. Let's go on the 1 day again. Yeah, we could definitely come lower as well. Okay. On the 1 hour, we do have this hidden S&D, right, which we reject. We've got a redistribution occurring. We've also got this zone where people are going to buy in on. So that's interesting. So we're actually going to get a nice return into this zone, hopefully. Or we should do, I'd expect. I would expect that. So if we push, no, nothing. I mean, we were trying to place in for some sales, but that's fine. We are going to want to come up to here though, for sure. So I'm going to come onto the 1 minute and see what we can get. So on the 5 minute, what do we have? 15? 5. Absolutely fuck all. Okay, cool. Awesome to know. We're going to have to come back down then. Okay, we created some new intermediate structure. Awesome. See if we can get a retest into here, hopefully, and then we can look to take a buy into here, yeah. Right there. We'll take that. I'll happily take that. That's a very good trade in my eyes, honestly. I'd be happy to take this, and I'd obviously take it to 1-to-1 and then higher, but that's something I'm happy with. Which we obviously fail. So, that's fine, and then obviously we're going to come lower, right? Yep. And then higher, awesome. We can take that buy. Then let's take it up to. That's valid. Awesome. And then we get those pushes. We might even come back down again and take out. Yeah, I thought so. It made sense. And now look for buys. Yeah, fuck me, I'm a dumbass. I actually am a dumbass. We wouldn't actually take any trades from here, but I would definitely be interested in some buys. Like down here, for instance. Like if I did this and this, and then I would look to take it to this high. Like let's just see how it plays, but I'm not actually going to take anything. And then we get stopped. Okay. So we were probably just wrong. Now, let's go back to the 1 hour. Right, because we're done for the day. Yeah, we're trading a bit shit at the moment, but it's fine. Shit happens, I guess. Can't always be amazing, I guess. And there we go, coming down, which I expected. And now we're probably in good buys, right? Or did we take the low? I don't even fucking know, honestly. We took the low. When was this? 2022. Very fucking... Not this entire low though, I was gonna say. Like, what the fuck? But yeah, potential 2.0, so definitely good for buyers now. Fuck me. Yeah, shit, get rid of this. Yeah, definitely good here, 2.0. So I'll be looking at this. We created this new demand. Look for a return into here. Come on, come down, come down, come down. Come down, you bastard. Okay, we're in our zone. Awesome, 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 awesome. We've got a nice push here, but we want to be more patient, so see what we can get. If anything, we're going to come down and take those lows. Right? No? No! Alright, some cells. Come on. I'm a fucking idiot, I swear to God, it's kind of pissing me off actually. Can't lie. Right there. I want to clear these lows, honestly. These fractalized ones are bastards, I swear to God. Take a -1. Take this trade. Fuck me, bastard. Come on, hit full TP, I'm gonna get pissed. I will get annoyed, don't you fucking worry about that. Get clear, I swear to fuck, I'm actually not gonna be happy. There we go, I was actually gonna get mad. Fuck me. And it was just before our session end, awesome. But I was about to get fucking angry. I was like, come on, you're supposed to go down, you bastard. Swear to Alright, we don't give a fuck what's happening to price action at the moment. What time are we at? 3:30? 4:30? Okay, cool. And then come straight down. Beautiful. Yeah, this shit's fucking sweeping lows, man. What the heck? Hold on, let me go to the 1 week. The bastards come in and actually take liquidity. No way. No way. Now it's pretty much free full time. Like, literally. It's just a matter of bearish fucking plays and then a big impulse higher because it's random. And we're in that zone, I guess. But we've already pushed higher, so we're looking for buys. Flow. Dun, 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 get about the flow. Dun, 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 get about the flow. Dancing. Alright. Yeah, we want price to come into here at least. I ain't gonna touch shit until price comes down. So come down, you bastard. There we go. Now we're in our buy zone. Perfect. What do we have on here? Beautiful pushes. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Now we might come down a little bit deeper. Hopefully. Then we gotta push higher. Awesome, I don't give a fuck. Because that can happen. And then, yeah, we got this liquidation. Cool. Then we gotta push higher. We probably are gonna come take those lows again. If anything, yeah, I'm probably looking to fucking sell this bastard from here. Literally, I'm not going to, but it would, like, right here would be a sell. But at the same time, like, fucking structure's a bit shit, I can't lie. And then, yeah, that one failed. I could kind of, like, I was like, nah, it doesn't look right. Honestly. And yeah, we are pushing higher, so in fact, it makes sense for buys from here now, not that one. I would probably disregard this one. And then be looking for buys from in here. So if we come in, we're looking for buys, simply. Again, I wouldn't do that. I want to take this low here. I want to see it come and take. Come on, bastard. Well, it took it. It fucking took it, alright. Definitely took it. Deeper mitigation, that's all. That's fine. See what we get. Awesome, awesome. Push down, push higher. Yeah, we're probably gonna look for a buy. Yeah. In fact, nah, I'm gonna wait for a retest at least. Okay, we get the retest, we get the push higher. And then we get another push. Yeah, we're good. We're fucking brilliant. I don't even know where we want to go. Nah, I wouldn't. Yeah, fuck it. Nah, I ain't even taking it. I ain't taking it because it's fucking spazzy. And we would have got stopped out. That's good. It's good that we didn't take it. Essentially. This is the push, so we're still targeting this. I don't understand. We're looking for sales, ain't we? That's what I was thinking. Nope. Okay. Yeah, this is strange. Strange, very strange. Potential sales. Nah. I wouldn't even sell in this. I wouldn't even sell to this. Because we could be holding this. We get a push higher, like that. Although we weren't supposed to get a big dildo, like that. But yeah, sure, why not? And then we're actually gonna go on the 1 hour or something. And where's our actual target gonna want to be? Probably just before this liquidity, if not higher. Nah, I ain't taking this. I ain't taking it. I ain't taking it. I don't give a fuck. I ain't taking it. It's a bit fucking awkward, I can't lie. Even if it does go higher, it just doesn't fucking... Yeah. Something about it's just fucking strange to me. So we don't... Literally 0 trades that day. And to be honest, I'm happy with that. I'm happy I didn't fucking do anything because that shit looked weird. And what's even gonna happen with this price action? Like, it's so uncertain, honestly. Like, what the fuck? The price is just capitulated completely. Like, sure, it might come higher. Makes sense. But now we're pushing down. We're probably gonna go up now anyways. Right? Break down now, we're gonna come higher and take those highs. Yep. Just the way price moves, really. And then we're gonna come and take these lows now, to be honest. So if it comes to 7 a.m., which is here, and we get a good position, yeah, we're gonna take some sales. Honestly, I'm happy to take some sales. Yeah, we're good. From here, maybe. Let's go another 5 minutes, see what we got. Got a new push on here. It's beautiful. And on the 1 minute, see what we can get. Want to see some mitigation in here to take the price lower, really. Let's see what we can get. Push lower, 7 a.m. Awesome. We're gonna wait for price to come in, cause I ain't taking anything. And I don't even know what price is. Where's price? Fuck me. That's pissed me off. Again, shit fucking sessions, man. Fucking shit. Even here, like, what the fuck? Yeah, buys. I'd have my stop loss in here though. And I'd probably be looking to fucking take care. That's it. It might actually fail, but it may... Okay, what makes sense is this high to get cleared. That's it. That's all. That's all I'm saying. So that's where I'm going to probably take some out. Yeah, I'm going to take... even though I'm not taking a lot, I'm taking like... taking 50% off. I don't give a fuck. Even if it's not even a 1-to-1, I don't give a fuck. Honestly, couldn't care less. I'm going to take more off. I'm going to move my stop loss with this shit as well. Honestly. This trade's fucking bit weird. And we're actually targeting this high up here, right? This zone. So we're going to let it run. We're going to let it run now and we're just going to follow it. So we're going to put a stop loss underneath there. Let it do its thing. Like that, like it was valid, that's why I took it, but the whole thing was a bit strange. So we just got 1-to-1 there, I think, ish. But yeah, like overall, I didn't really like that, so I wanted to aggressively push in that. Take some money out at least. We took about 1-to-1 on that trade, I think. But yeah, we might get a push higher, but again, there's no structure. Like we have structure down here, so maybe here, but that's it. So even if we go on the 1 minute, we have to wait for price to come back down, right? Like yeah. But then it could just be a distribution, right? Pushing lower, awesome. We're gonna liquidate those lows, and now we could be looking for buys. But again, you make your daughter cry. I did apologize a million times. I ain't taking it, but it could go higher. Yeah. Yeah. I thought it looked like it, but at the same time, there was too much risk. Yeah. Okay. That's that session done. And actually, I'm gonna finish now because I gotta get ready for my work, look at my stuff, my uniform, and all that shit. But hopefully, one day I don't have to do fucking work and I can do this as my full-time job. Okay, so on a £1 million account, we make 114k. That's ridiculous. That's fucking dirty. And it took us only 9, so 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Took us 8 days to make 10% or 11%, my bad. Otherwise known as a lip. I'm trying to. No. I didn't even fucking. Oh shit. Let's just say, yeah, we made a lot. Forget about the money. Like, sure, we might have made 100k in about a week, but the point is, that's not unnormal. It's quite average. 11%, you know. Yeah. So, not too bad. Slow growth. Taking the losses to minimum. Minimize the losses and trades we take and stuff like that. Yeah, so it took us 7 days. It took us 7 days to make 11%. Like, it's fucking dirty as fuck, honestly. Yeah, I think the first day we made this. Then we took 0.25 loss and then a plus -2, so that takes it to about 5, and then yeah, 11. So, month 11%, and we can do all of this. So we can skip to July, August, and then do all those. To see our overall growth for, I don't know, half the year. But even if we're compounding like 10% plus each month, like that's 1.2 mil a year if you think about it, right? So, I mean, obviously you're in top percent earners anyway. You've made this in a fucking week. Like, come on, of course you're in top. Of course you're in the top earners in the fucking world, probably, or UK anyways. I don't know about some rich ass countries, but the point is, yeah, we're getting there, and each video we've made when we've done these back testings recently, they've all been positive. We haven't had a single cut when we're in like substantial drawdown. We're in fucking positive. Even if we take a -1 or -2, we've maximized our loss to 2% in a day. And even if we like 2 losses in a day, and then do that 2 times, which again, even if we do that, we need what, 2, 4, 6, 8. We need 5 days in a row of losing. Now it's not like it's impossible. It's just that the probability of actually me losing 2 trades for an entire week, right? It's low. It's really low. But yeah, so I'm ending the video here. Hope you guys have enjoyed. A nice 114k profit. But yeah, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. So peace and love. Bye.